Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 21st, 2025, and we're diving into PACCAR's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. PACCAR, a leader in the design and manufacture of high-quality trucks, has just released its Q3 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PACCAR reported consolidated net sales and revenues of $6.67 billion for the third quarter of 2025. This is a decrease from the $8.24 billion reported in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this revenue performance?
While the revenue has decreased, it's important to note that PACCAR still achieved a net income of $590 million, translating to an earnings per share of $1.12. The company delivered 31,900 trucks globally, which is a significant volume, showcasing their strong market presence despite the revenue dip.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.12 for PACCAR, based on a survey of 5 analysts. The company reported an actual EPS of $1.12, meeting expectations. John, how does this alignment with forecasts impact investor sentiment?
Meeting the EPS forecast is generally positive for investor sentiment, as it indicates that the company is performing in line with market expectations. It shows that PACCAR's management has a good handle on their financials and market conditions, which can instill confidence in investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the revenue decline, PACCAR Parts achieved record revenues of $1.72 billion, and PACCAR Financial Services reported a pre-tax income of $126.2 million. What does this tell us about PACCAR's operational efficiencies?
These figures highlight PACCAR's ability to maintain strong profitability in its parts and financial services segments. The cash generated from operations was $1.53 billion, indicating robust cash flow management. Additionally, the upcoming truck tariffs are expected to bring market clarity, which could positively impact future performance.
Strategic initiatives and technological advancements. PACCAR continues to invest heavily in its future, with $156 million in capital investments and $111 million in R&D expenses this quarter. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives?
PACCAR is focusing on next-generation technologies, including AI and battery advancements. Their joint venture, Amplify Cell Technologies, is progressing well, and the new Kenworth T880S truck launch showcases their commitment to innovation. These initiatives are crucial for maintaining competitive advantage and driving future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, PACCAR has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025, with revenues of $6.67 billion and an EPS of $1.12, meeting analyst expectations. The company continues to show strength in its parts and financial services segments, and its strategic investments position it well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
PACCAR's ability to meet EPS expectations and maintain strong operational performance is commendable. Their focus on innovation and strategic investments bodes well for long-term prospects. Investors should keep an eye on how the new tariffs and technological advancements play out in the coming quarters.
And thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PACCAR's performance in the comments below.